Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Kawasaki Z900. This bike has 2,600 miles and is offered for $79.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. As you can tell by looking at the video, this bike is loaded with a lot of cool add-on accessories. Try to list them all without forgetting some of them. Starting at the rear end, we have a fender eliminator kit and also a rear camera that was added. It's a Blaupunk camera that you can use Bluetooth to view from your RAM mounted telephone that goes in right there. So you can download the app and see who's behind you while you're riding. There's also a USB charger included with that. Has a very nice Scorpion exhaust, RNG rear spools, also has case savers on both sides of the motor, frame sliders you can see right there, hand guards, aftermarket mirrors, also comes with heated grips, front tire spools, front windscreen, heated grips, trying to think if I mentioned anything, tank pad. This bike is just loaded. These normally sell for about $1,000 more new, and this one has probably about $2,000 to $3,000 of accessories, probably even more. Also has a rear seat cowl right there. It's Kawasaki. This bike also comes with a top case, a 3-liter top case. You can see the mounting brackets are right there. We took them off in the video, but if you look in the pictures, you'll be able to see what it looks like with and without the top case. Again, this bike is loaded from head to tail. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change on it, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. Again, $79.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.